Grinches are back. Merry Christmas, everybody. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. You know all the stuff that YouTubers say. Please subscribe. That's fire. Y'all see the Kobe subscribe? That's fire. If you've been with the channel, you know how much Kobe mean to me, man. Like, it's still sad when I think about it, man. Sneakers don't give me no love, though. They don't let me cop. I always have to go third party, but I'm going to pick those up, man. I don't know how I won that sneaker pass, man. I'm really happy. But today we here to talk about the reverse Grinches, man. And the sneakers hyped up. And I don't think it's hyped up because it's like the first time we saw a red Kobe, because we've gotten red Kobe's, especially for Christmas. If you see right here, you got a nice Christmas ornament on the back, man. And these were one of my favorite Kobe's, man. Achilles green joint. Like, this was dope. Which makes the Grinches more hyped up is that who would ever thought of a Grinch on Christmas besides the late great Kobe Bryant, man? In my opinion, I'm leaning toward the reverse better than the OGs, man. As you know, I had the OGs. I got rid of them because I'm not wearing my Kobe's anymore, guys. They're trophies. I know you're not supposed to make sneakers trophy. I always tell y'all, wear y'all shoes. I wear my shoes. But when it comes to Kobe, man, I'm kind of hard-pressed, man. So yeah, where the green was, the red is, and where the red was, the green is. You still got the rattlesnake. It's super dope, man. Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. I could say about the Kobe sneaker, it is made to ballin', dog. Even though this is a lifestyle look, it is made to ballin'. Fresh out the box, you can just feel the tightness, how it sorbs to your feet. Like, they made the ball, man. You know we don't do too much talking here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So even the box is rattlesnake or just mamba snake. And that's all through the box, guys. All through it. You get a whole bunch of snakes in there, man. Snakes on the plane. And you get the Kobe logo. One of the best Nike logos. I like Ja Morant's logo, I'm not going to lie. But the Kobe logo is one of the best logos for Nike, I think. With his signature at the bottom there. It reads, Kobe Protro Bright Crimson Black. When you flip open the lid, nothing special. I was hoping we got something special. You just get a white tissue paper, and let's start with the right shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Kobe 6, right? 6 Protro. I got confused because I showed y'all that I won the 4s I got to go pick up. But these are the 6, guys. Now let's just start with the toes go, man. Rattlesnake is back and it is like popped up crazy. I don't know how they make like a rubber feel like rattlesnake, but when you touch it, it feels just like a rattlesnake, guys. Get to the swoosh. The swoosh is indented, like the swoosh is inside the rattlesnake, so you even get the rattlesnake on the black, giving you that black mamba look right there. Come around, you got like some translucent design, but it's not translucent. The latex looks like material. It makes the red look lighter, something like a semi-pink there on that design of the 6. You know the 6 is like that. Go to the back. Ever since Kobe had that Achilles injury, most of his sneakers show like something near the Achilles. So here you get like a line of dots. And then under that you get Kobe's signature in that Grinch colorway, guys. The inside swoosh, same as the outside swoosh. Black Mamba vibes. Rattlesnake all the way up to at least your ankles, which is crazy. Come to the front of the sneaker. Kobe's signature Nike logo is there in that Grinch colorway along with the shoelaces. Now, I don't see no other shoelaces you could put on this sneaker. I mean, I know they calling it reverse Grinch, but without these shoelaces, you don't get much of that Grinch look in this all red. Besides the little Kobe hit here in the tongue. So without these shoelaces, they really wouldn't be a reverse Grinch. So I don't really see a lace swap with this, unless you find some Grinch laces or something. In the inside, I believe that reads molds. I thought it read Mamba at first look, but I think it reads molds. Like I told y'all, out of the box, you can tell that this molds to your foot. Like, it's a basketball shoe for sure, guys. Let me try to get inside, see if we could get more what that say. No shoe tree. I ain't been getting no shoe trees in a lot of reviews. Just some tissue paper. Yeah, and it reads molds to my foot, guys. Molds to my foot. And you have the 24 in there, which is Kobe's second number after he switched from 8. This is the left side, guys, and now I get it. I remember this quote from Kobe. It says, I want a shoe that molds to my foot. So on the left, you get I want a shoe. On the right, you get molds to my foot. Same colorway inside. Looks like a Batman comic book look. And you still get the, you get the Kobe. It say K6 on this one. The right side said 24. The bottom of the shoe got that Grinch green Kobe look again. The inside, I never seen nothing like that before. I know it reads something, but it looks like a Nike sign undone. If you know in the comments, let me know what that means. It might have something to do with like molding to the foot. Like you know that thing that molds the rocks? That's what it looks like to me, guys, but I'm unsure. I got to research that. But that's the bottom. Left side, nothing's changed. You get the Nike Zoom logo there. Of course, it's Nike Zoom technology. Same technology you get on the Nike SBs, by the way. But this is more in like the bottom and not just the little piece you get on the ankle support on the SBs. Yes, sir. So that's a quick review on the Kobe 6 Reverse Grinch, man. That whole day when they dropped, I kept getting emails with L's. Then when they dropped on Sneakers app, I caught another L. And then just like around 2-3 p.m., someone charged my card $240. I'm like, and it was EQL with Undefeated. So shout out to Undefeated. I got them, man. I'm happy I got them. As soon as I get them black ones in hand, we're going to do that review too. But I'm going to wear these ones, guys. I made it known I'm going to wear these ones. I'm going to just put them on my feet and walk around the house. Force me to wear these, man. Because we already know the comfort is A1, man. And it's Kobe. Let me know why y'all able to cop these. Are y'all looking to go third party? I seen prices at like anywhere between $375 to $500 depending on your size. The sneaker will go up, guys. I got my regular Grinches or my OG Grinches for retail, and by the time I was able to just sell them to my friend for retail, they were up to $900. I looked last week and they up to like $1,200. It's an iconic shoe, guys, but I believe that the regular Grinches will restock before these restock. I think the Grinch is a sneaker that Vanessa just wants to keep going. So I think like every 2-3 years we're going to get a Grinch restock. But yeah, man, let me know how y'all Christmas was, man. Like, did y'all get what y'all want? I got some giveaways coming up in my next video, so stay tuned to that. Hit that subscribe button. RP to the Mamba, man. Everybody, get rich.